Besides its maze, rail transport has a profound impact on our lives. And in the event of a transport problem, even a small outage has a big financial impact. In order to ensure that rail transit can operate properly, sensitive components should be or must be protected from harsh elements. And during the transport, collision and friction tend to overheat the temperature. Therefore, the enclosures that use in rail transit systems have excellent heat dissipation to prevent the equipment from overheating. And they have high corrosion resistance, making them perfect for safeguarding complex electronics. And there are 3 types of electrical enclosures widely used in the rail transit industry. First one is wall mount enclosures. They are usually used as electrical switch gear and pilot device. This kind of enclosure is installed away from ground through their wall mounting flanges. They can prevent the equipment from moisture and dust better. The second type is junction box. Junction box is an electrical enclosures holding multiple wiring connections. The box protected the connections and which generally contain weak points like wear splices from the elements and accidental touch. And the last type is floor mount box. They are boxes with legs that may stand on a flat surface due to the box is raised on the legs. The enclosure's bottom can be accessed. And this construction makes it more ventilated and dissipated heat more quickly. And so here's the question: why are rail transit enclosures necessary? In the beginning of the video, I mentioned that collision and friction always occur during transport. So when such a situation happens, the enclosures can shield the equipment from the environment while shielding the users from electric shocks or the risk of an explosion. To be more detailed, rail transit enclosures can protect the equipment from water ingress, severe temperature, and breakage. And when selecting the enclosures for rail transit, you have better consider external condition, IP rating, industry standard, material type, and age. If the protection is not adequate, it may lead to inefficiency and shelf life of equipment. Even it will be dangerous for human life. And Yonggu MLK series are protected enclosures, and M and L series are IP68 erode-proof enclosures, while K series is collision-resistant enclosures. The shells and panels and screws are made of Lu6063 materials, and the cutout size, colors, and printing can be customized. If you are interested in this video, subscribe to our channel. You can find more introduction in our homepage. And for further information, follow our Facebook Yonggu for more details. And see you next Friday. Goodbye.